So CapCut has introduced a new AI video maker that's going to blow your mind. And the best part about this AI video maker that CapCut has introduced is that it is completely free for each and everyone to use. This free AI video maker by CapCut helps you to generate ideas for your content and also help you in scripting. Then it also helps you to turn your script into voiceovers. And the most amazing part, also helps you to generate amazing footages for the script. So let me show you how you can use this particular free AI video maker by CapCut to create amazing videos for your content. So if you are a new YouTuber and you are starting a faceless channel, this particular AI video maker comes in handy. So you can use this particular tool to generate amazing content for your channel. So what you need to do first is to go to CapCut.com. So when you come to this particular interface, you will see this particular free AI video maker here. So what you need to do is to just click on it. So you come to this particular interface, and with this particular AI tool, you can instantly generate an AI video by just entering your script. And also, you can brainstorm ideas with this particular AI video maker, and also, you can create amazing avatar videos for your faceless channels. And also, when you scroll down, you will see AI templates here that you can easily recreate or remake using this particular templates available here. So they have a lot of categories here. So there is new here. And there is a category for stories, religious, fact, inspirational, and news. But in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create videos from scratch. But for this particular video, I'm going to use this particular AI video maker in CapCut's desktop, but you can follow along if you are using the web-based AI video maker. So I'll go to CapCut. Then as you can see, when you open CapCut, you will see this particular AI video maker here. So just click on it. Then as you can see, it's the same interface compared to the one in the browser. So if you open the browser, it is the same interface. So you can just follow along. So what you need to do is to click on new project, because we are going to create a video from scratch. So click on new project. Then this particular interface will open. So if you have your own script, you can just copy and paste it here. But in this particular video, I'm going to use CapCut AI to generate the script for us. So what you need to do is to come and click on create one with AI. So let's click on it. Then when you come to this particular session, you have to input your topic and also cue points. So let's say I want a historical fact about China. Then you come to the cue point. So with the cue point, you have to give the AI some cue points to follow. So what I'm going to tell the AI to give me 10 historical facts. So I'm just going to include just one cue point. But you can add more cue point depending on the type of script that you want. So when you are done, all you need to do is to scroll down. Then you come to duration. So when you come to duration, you have 4 options. You have 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, and also 10 minutes. So this particular AI video maker can generate about 10 minutes worth of video just for free. But for the sake of this particular video, I'm going to stick with the 3 minutes. So I will select 3 minutes. Then when you come to this particular options here, so let's select it. So when you come to this side, you can add a script here so that the AI will follow the format of the script that you've pasted here. Then it will use it to create the script for you. Then when you are done, all you need to do is to come and click on create. So you have to wait for a while for CapCut to generate your script for you. So as you can see, our fact has been generated, and as you already know, that can be inaccurate sometimes. So you have to read through your script. And also, if you want to make any additional editing, you can also do that. So if you want to edit any part of the script, all you need to do is to just come and click on it. Then you can edit it the way you want. So any part of the script that you want to edit, you can just come and click on it. Then you edit it. Now let's move to how we can convert our script into a voiceover. This particular AI also has a ton of voices that you can use. So if you want to convert your script into voiceover, all you need to do is to come and click on this particular box here. So let's click on it. Then you have 2 options, which is avatar and voiceover. So if you want an avatar, you can use the avatar. And also if you want just the voiceover, you can use the voiceover. So just select voiceover. Then this panel will open. Then CapCut will give you a lot of voices that you can use them for free. So let's go to this particular one.
Welcome to creating voiceovers.
So let's move to the second one.
Welcome to creating voiceovers.
So all you need to do is to look through all the voiceovers and select what you really want.
Welcome to creating voiceovers.
So I'm going to use this particular voice. So all I need to do is to just select the voice, then come to apply to all scenes. So first, CapCut AI video maker is going to split your script into multiple parts so that it will be easier for the AI to generate your voice for you. So all you need to do is to just wait for a while for all your voiceover for your script to be generated. So as you can see now, CapCut is creating the voiceover. So our voiceover has been generated. So let's play our voiceover and see how it sounds.
Here are 10 crazy facts about China that you won't learn anywhere else. Number 1. The Great Wall of China is the only man-made structure in the world that can be seen from space with the naked eye.
So as you can see, our voiceover sounds more human. So you can look through all the voiceovers and select what you really want. And also, if you want this particular video to be in a 9:16 format, which is for shorts or even TikTok, you can come to this particular site, click on it. Then you have the 9:16 option here that you can use. So I'm going to stick with the 9:16. But if you want to post this particular video as a long form on YouTube, you can use the 16:9. So I'm going to go with the 9:16. So what you need to do now is to generate all the media for your script. So to do that, come and click on this particular box here. So let's click on it. Then this particular window will open. So this particular video AI maker lets you import your own media and use it for your video. So you can come and click on your media here. Then you can import your own videos here and use it in your project. But in this particular video, we are going to use CapCut AI to generate all the media for us. So just click on it, then go to Generate AI Media for All. Then this panel will open. So come and click on Generate AI Media. Then what you need to do here is to select the start that you want. So you can go with cartoon 3D, you can go with movie, or you can go to realistic film. So all you need to do is to select the style that you want for your video. So I'm going to go with realistic film, so I'll just let it then. What you need to do is to come and click on Apply to All Scenes. So just click on Apply to All Scenes. Then you wait for a while for your media to be generated. So our footage has been generated. So let me play the video and see how it looks like.
Here are 10 crazy facts about China that you won't learn anywhere else. Number 1. The Great Wall of China is the only man-made structure in the world that can be seen from space with the naked eye. Number 2. For over 200 years, the Chinese kept detailed records of earthquakes by keeping track of the date and time of each tremor and its severity.
So this particular video maker also lets you add elements like captions. So if you want to add captions to your videos, all you need to do is to come to elements here. And as you can see, there are a lot of templates here that you can use for free. All you need to do is to select one template. Then you are good to go. You can also move the caption to where you want. So I will move the caption to this place, then select this caption. I am going to change my voiceover to suit the video. And this is the voice I chose.
Here are 10 crazy facts about China that you won't learn anywhere else. Number 1. The Great Wall of China is the only man-made structure in the world that can be seen from space with the naked eye. Number 2. For over 200 years, the Chinese kept detailed records of earthquakes by keeping track of the date and time of each tremor and its severity. They even invented a seismograph around 138. In 1046.
And now the final step, let's add some music to our video. And this AI has a lot of songs that you can use. So browse through and select one that best suit your video. So I noticed my background song is louder than the voiceover. So to reduce the volume, come and click on this icon. Then you can reduce the volume.
Chinese invented the compass, gunpowder, fireworks, paper, printing, the abacus, and movable type, all before the year 1000. Number 6. During the Qing dynasty, the Chinese were growing so much food that they started to build massive granaries to store it all. One of these granaries, the Shaoxing granary, could hold over 10 million bushels of grain. Number 7. The Chinese invented the stirrup, which allowed...
Now let's export our video. So come and click on Export. Then type the file name you want and the resolution. And you can even export up to a 4K resolution. And when you are done, click on Export and your video will be downloaded to your desktop. But if you still want to make changes, you can open it in CapCut and you can edit your project there. So to do that, come and click on Edit More here and your project will be loaded into CapCut. And as you can see, this is the whole video we created with all the assets we used. So you can make all the changes you want. Then when you are done, export your video to your desktop. So what do you think about this new AI video maker by CapCut? And let me know in the comments section if you are going to try it. And also, if this video was helpful, then kindly like and share to your friends, and we'll see you in the next video.